Travis is gonna take a nap.
Hi, Kenan.
Hey, what's up?
What are we doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, our next stop is Oceanside. Oceanside comes up just about 10 minutes.
We're not going to Oceanside.
Nope.
I don't want to go to Oceanside.
There's Las
We're going.
Olas.
Yeah, there it is.
You said lost whole. She's not wrong. And he's not wrong.
To Twain.
I mean, I'm not like train.
Lagoon. Oh, this is cool.
Would I be able to
This is so cool.
Yeah, look at that. Man, what a way to take pictures of car.
Their Marine Day. One guy for not.
No, I didn't hear that.
But I just love that someone was like, let's take
Obviously. Down there now. There'll be more. Wow, we're already in Dana Point.
Wow.
This is the way to travel.
This is nice. Yeah, I like this.
Coming up on a pier. San Clemente. Yeah. Haven't been up here for a while.
No. We should. Yeah. What was the name of the pizza place we were
Oh, jeez. Casano's. Stefano's in LA, Casano's down here.
San Clemente really is a jewel. This is cute.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Anaheim. Please watch your step as you exit. Thank you for riding with us.
I know. It's like for instance, your iPad, like
Turntable.
Oh, well, and a steel one.
In Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Wow. You buying anything?
Huh?
You buying anything? Can't afford it.
That's right.
I want that. Oh, long day. We're back. It's just about 11 p.m. We got back a few minutes ago. So got up this morning. We were going to Lyft. Lyft cannot pick up here for some reason. They pass the house every single time. It says there's 5 minutes until they get here, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And then, they missed the turn, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and they just go on and pick up somebody else. I don't know what it is. The last several trips, Lyft is unusable. Anyways, Uber couldn't get here in time. So we had to race over to the train station in Kennan's M3, leave that there to get there on time. We took the train up to Los Angeles, Union Station. And that was a honestly really good experience. It was quiet, smooth, on time, quick, comfortable, not populated. Great experience. Got up to the train station in LA and Took an Uber from there all the way up to Santa Clarita. That was awful. We went 55 in the left lane the whole time. This is one of those guys that uses the throttle like this. So you go 50 and then up to 55 and then down to 50 and then up to 55 and down to 50. I hate drivers like that, very frustrating. But we got to Santa Clarita, picked up the car, 02530IA, split fold seats, PDC xenon headlights. That's about it. Black sapphire, black interior, sport package style 42s. It is rough. It needs about everything an E39 needs. My client wanted an E39 facelift sport pack with folding seats, and he got that, but we have a lot of work to do on this car. So we went down to Los Angeles, went to Beverly Hills, spent a couple minutes there just milling around, down to some sort of steakhouse in Orange County for dinner in Laguna Beach. Back to Kennan's car. We just got home. We are dead, tired, exhausted. I'm going to bed. I'll talk to you guys on Sunday. Good night.